Hi, my cute little artist. Welcome to the Magical Art with Ananya. So, today we are going to draw this cute tiger in few simple steps. What can we name this tiger as? Okay, let's start drawing. First, we will draw one circle or make an oval for the face of the tiger. Then, we'll draw the big mouth of the tiger where the tiger is yawning. And then, let's make the nose, the eyes. Let's make the stripes on the face. Let's add the two cute little ears. And then, let's start adding the teeth. So, meantime, think of the name for this tiger, and you know, right, what the tiger color is, and the tiger has stripes all over its body. So, we will add the stripes all over, and you know, right, the tiger has a big tail also. And so, after we finish adding the stripes, we are going to add a big tail. And as you all know, the tiger lives in the jungle, right? So let's add few stripes on the face of the tiger on both sides. So the stripes, adding stripes is very easy. It looks like inverted V. And then let's add one big and fat tail for the tiger. In the tail also add stripes, just make opposite V like triangle shape. It will look like the stripes of the tiger. So, to learn more such drawing, you need to like, share, and subscribe the Magical Art with Ananya.